Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S1 Active, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the home button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the heart rate icon, looks like this, and tap on it to open the heart rate widget. And once you open the widget, the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically. So I'm gonna place the finger on the sensor and let's wait. And here we have it. As you can see, this number will jump around because the watch is measuring the heart rate in real time. But once it stabilizes, it should be your current heart rate. Okay, let's say it's around 60. Once you're done measuring the heart rate, you can press the home button to go back. But before that, you can also scroll down by swiping up on the screen to check the heart rate zones and also the average heart rate from the last 30 days. And like I said before, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. You can also access the heart rate widget by swiping left on the home screen to open this page, and you can see the heart rate right here. And if you want to open the widget, you can tap on it like this. Okay, and that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.